Don't get hip
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. First of all, I want to give thanks to Berlin's Ur. I told you a couple of videos ago that I've had 3 really great experiences from Swedish retailers in 3 different subjects. And this is one of them. And it is just that easy that I got a personal order confirmation and a personal mail with a tracking number, and a personal mail that told me that my package is at the store where I can pick it up, instead of those auto reply mails that you usually doesn't even get. So that means a lot, plus very helpful. And yeah, once again, that personal contact means a lot to me. This is a G-Shock. And it's been a long time since I did a G-Shock unboxing, and I regret that I didn't do more of them back in the days when I bought a bunch of G-Shocks. I bought like 20 a month, not only from me, but my friends bought via me because I had a great connection in the US, which I still do, but I just don't order as much. And I don't even wear G-Shocks anymore, and that's all because of the Apple Watch, sorry to say. But this watch is kind of cool. It's called GA2100-1A and this watch has been named the CasiOak, and I will show you why. It has also been named the most profitable G-Shock. It has been named the cheapest watch that you can be on a waiting list for. A bunch of things. This is the most hyped G-Shock for many years, and the most hyped G-Shock among ordinary watch people. We that collect G-Shocks know that this is nothing new for us. I remember, of course, I have a lot of limited edition G-Shocks, but I remember the Mark Webber G-Shock, the red one. People went crazy over those, and these as well. These sold out right away. They sell for, even today, they sell for, I've seen some go for 5 times over retail. Twice the retail that's nothing, that is common. So people go crazy over these, and that's mostly because of one reason. You see the design. It's that typical Gerald design. Audemars Piguet, Royal Oak, maybe Nautilus, but they call it Casio Oak because of it looks like a Royal Oak. And people like it because I'm gonna get another G-Shock, but it's much slimmer. It wears a lot better than your standard G-Shock. The size is still 45 millimeters across, I think, but wears much more comfortable, and is very light. It weighs only 51 grams, and that's because the in-house casing is carbon fiber. So everybody just love this watch. They say it's very comfortable to wear, very classic looking with that design. And I think I've said this for many years, all the years. No matter what kind of watches you love, no matter how expensive watches you love, you must have a G-Shock in your collection. That is a must. Which one is up to you, but you should have a G-Shock. These has a retail price for at $99 in US, I think. Here in Sweden it was 135 euro. But as I said, these go for crazy money. And the watch has all that you need. Of course, I'm going to show you some close-ups. It shows you the day of the week, you have a calendar, and yeah, everything. And I think the watch has a great lume. So I'm gonna turn off the light. I'm gonna get you another G-Shock to show you. Get up closer and turn off the light and test the lume. So first of all, the lume. I thought all the white markers were going to light up, but it was only the minutes and hour hand. But still, great lume. And then a size comparison with one of my most beloved G-Shocks model, one of my most used models. This watch in particular is maybe not the one that I've used the most, but I buy and sell these matte black ones all the time because people want them fast, and I sell them mine, and then I just order me a new one. The one that I usually have is the MS1, but this is more or less the same. So as you can see, they are much thinner, even though they are the same in size. And the strap is also smaller, so it's they say, and I believe it, that it's much more comfortable to wear. Yes, very comfortable. I have very small wrists, but it wears very comfortable, looks very classy. If you are used to wearing luxury watches, and this is and you want to buy your first G-Shock, I think this is a good option. And yes, the design, the Royal Oak, the Casio Oak design is very good. So you shouldn't be embarrassed of wearing these, even though you have a real Royal Oak. But the funny thing here is that I did not buy this watch with any intention of wearing it. Not like this like at least. And even though it sells for many times over retail, I'm not going to sell it. So why did I buy it? Take a wild guess, because you will see that in my second video. Thanks for watching.